So we're gonna look at desktop wallets. So those are wallets for Bitcoin that are programs on your computer. So you can install a desktop wallet on your computer, and that wallet allows you to interact with the Bitcoin network. You can send and receive Bitcoin. So it's just an app on your computer. Now you can do that on a Windows app. If you use Windows, if you use Mac app. If you use Linux, you have Linux app. Desktop apps. So if you go to bitcoin.org, you have an option, choose your wallet. Now there are different types of wallets, just like in the real world. You have different type of wallets, right? You have piggy bank and you have like portable wallets and also other types. So just like that with Bitcoin, you can have different wallets. So you can have software wallets. So the top ones are all software wallets. You have the mobile wallets for Android and iPhone, and desktop wallets for all the other systems. So all of these are just software apps. So you have an app running on your Windows computer or an app running on your Apple computer, your iPhone, Android. It's just a software app, nothing else. Or you can use a hardware wallet, which is like specialized software for Bitcoin. So in this video, we'll look at desktop wallets. So we'll have a Windows computer here. So we click Windows, click Next, click New, Next, and we're just going with all the defaults. So click Next twice. And you see we have two default Bitcoin wallets, BitPay and Electrum. So if we visit this website, you'll see there's two options. You can either have it on your let's go for download app. So you can have either the Bitcoin or the Electrum wallet. Probably there's many more wallets, but okay, this one is for iPhone. It doesn't seem that it's for desktop at all. So let's just go with Electrum and click Windows installer. If you select Electrum here, go to electrum.org and then you can install it, or you can use the portable version and then start your wallet. Start Electrum. You can go for default wallet. You'll see it's a file on the computer. The file does not exist, so that file is very important. Click Next, standard wallet. We can use the new seed. It will generate some bunch of words. Now it's important to write these down on paper in the same order. And because computer fails, which computers do sometimes because of age of the computer, the disk usage and so on, computers just fail, then you can restore your wallet and still have access to your Bitcoin, provided that you have not been hacked and someone has taken or stolen your Bitcoins. Okay, so we can write down these words. So normally you would write them on paper, but just for this demo, we write them down in Notepad. And you wouldn't show these to anyone except yourself, because these allow you to access your Bitcoins. So only you shouldn't show those in a screencast, in a YouTube, in a video course or anything else, if you're actually going to use them for storing Bitcoin. So let's rewrite those words, because that's what they're asking us in the next step. Then we click Next. We can password protect. Now just for simplicity, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to click Next. And you see, you can update it. You should always update it for security reason, but so just to make sure that there is not any bug in your wallet, you should update it. So now you'll see we have a simple wallet here with 0 Bitcoin in it. We can send Bitcoin to an address. You can see you can paste an address here, put an amount and send it if you have Bitcoins. You can receive it. If you want, you can receive Bitcoin. You can request a certain amount. This is your basic wallet. So this is just one of the many wallets. If you click View Addresses, you can see your Bitcoin addresses. So it's a very basic wallet, and there's many wallets for Bitcoin. So it really depends on what What do you prefer? What are your needs? For example, BitPay was another one. Depending on your system, they will have different ones. So if you select Apple, you'll see a lot more wallets for Apple. On the next computers, they have different wallets. And also on iPhone and Android. So it really depends on what system do you use. But what these have in common is that both mobile and desktop apps are software wallets, meaning it's just an app on your computer that stores the Bitcoin in some files, basically, or the keys to the Bitcoin in files. Now, that could be secure. Were it not that computers are often not secure because of maybe the computer has not been updated, security mistakes in the configuration, a user that is just not paying attention or being tricked. So a lot of computers get hacked and systems as well. That's why software wallets might not be the best idea to store your Bitcoins, and we'll get into that more in the next video.